Milton Hershey, the founder.
Here we are.
Okay guys, listen, we drove all night and we made it to Hershey, Pennsylvania. Now we're here for our annual swap meet. We're at the Hershey Lodge. We're staying at the Hershey Lodge here. This is a great place. Do you know that they pump chocolate smell into the lobby here? So when you walk into this lobby,
Even outside.
yeah, you can start to smell it from here. Now here we go. We're going in. Check in. Now when you check in here, they give you Hershey chocolate bars.
Yeah.
Let's go to the gift store. Could have stayed in here.
Yeah, well, you took off.
Yeah, so what? You got to hang out with me, honey? Is that it? You miss me?
No.
Is that it, honey?
No,
Is that
but
it?
you're
Is that
always whining. Where are you? They have chocolate flavored balsamic vinegar.
Chocolate? Show me.
Right there, look. Balsamic, so chocolate or
Where does it say balsamic, hon?
here, up here, balsamic, chocolate,
Where?
cherry, balsamic
Okay.
vinegar.
They have olive oil and balsamic, chocolate flavored. Hey, can you imagine that? Putting that on your salad? Milton Hershey did a great job. I mean, the vision here is like Walt Disney, right? I mean, like it's out of this world. They do everything perfect. There's nothing that they do wrong.
Oh, Hershey Kisses, earrings, necklaces. Look at that. Huh? That's funny.
They have a convention center here, and there'll be an auction for antique cars here. Some of these cars will go for over $1 million. They're spectacular. They're pieces of artwork. There are 650 rooms in Hershey here. And here we go.
Do you know which key is which?
Nope, not that one. So it'll be this one. We have 2 adjoining rooms because Fathead's coming. All right, here, swipe it for me here. All right, and check it out. The Hershey Lodge. This is a nice place. Beautiful. And of course, your complimentary Hershey chocolate bars when you register in. And they're good size. When do we get to eat them? And this will be ours, right, hon? Yeah. Here, hold this.
Okay, you know, watch. He's gonna crack his head.
You gotta look through the screen.
I can see it. Okay.
Oh. Yeah, this is where I'm gonna stay. And you can have that other bed.
Thank you. Yes, my own bed.
I'm gonna come visit you though.
No way.
Check out the bathroom. It has Hershey Kisses wallpaper. Very cool. They have Atlantis towels at the pool area here. Oh boy, Lisbon's gonna love this. Yeah, you're gonna have to go up and do this and slide down.
Okay, well you can.
No, the water's too cold for me.
Come on.
Oh, sure. Too cold. Go. Do a video going upstairs.
You're not gonna go in the water.
No, I'm not gonna go up there, no. No, go. Oh, I think they got a hot tub over there.
I'm going in the water.
And you're gonna do
first.
the outside water slide, okay? You'll get a Hershey kiss from me when you do it.
Yeah.
Here, take it up.
What?
Video it.
Yeah, I'm going in the water first.
No, you're going in the slide first.
I am going in the water first so I can warm up.
No.
Go
No.
away.
No, you gotta go. Tent we're driving by here, there'll be some cars that will be on auction. These are just some of the samples. Wow. Hey, this is a good way to wake up. At the Hershey Lodge and the fire going. Look at it's raining right now. It's raining here outside, not inside. It's not raining inside. It's raining, so it's actually pouring out there. So the swap meet, we may have to do some other things. Maybe we'll go to the automotive museum today. Yeah.